According to this guy back here, we're getting ready to face the demons of the Darkness Haunted House. As you're getting ready to find out, this place has got some of the most impressive scenes and animatronics in the industry. We're going to take you along with us, and we brought a first-timer with us as well. So without further ado, let's go get us some scares.
Oh my God!
And right out of the gate.
Got us.
I've been saying that.
What the hell?
It's a caveman!
Oh my God! What does that mean? I don't know what that means.
I don't think it's good.
Oh, I think he's taking his soul. Oh God! He chewed up his soul and spit it out. Oh my! Yes. I love that. Look at all those symbols. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh yeah! See that monster? Woo! Yeah! That's so gross! I hate that thing! Yeah! Oh, I don't like that one. I don't like you!
I didn't do it!
You see the dragon!
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! step down. That's more cool, right?
Yeah. I keep running into the wall.
Hey, it steps down.
Ramp. What in the world? Oh my god, this thing moves. Whoa! Oh my. What? Oh.
Oh god.
That comes close. Ramp. The whole thing's moving.
It's like the whole region's moving.
Oh! Oh, it's a mummy. It's a mummy. Oh! I saw that.
Okay, so, whoa.
Uneven. Whoa!
Oh god.
That's cool.
Whoa.
You dare to enter the kingdom of darkness.
Woo! There's a thing there.
Hey, Ram.
Oh, ramp.
Oh my.
Vibrating.
No.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Stairs.
Oh my.
No!
Oh my.
No, not today. There's lots of creaking going on. Oh gosh. The whole room is moving again. Smells. Lots of smells. Woo! Zombie. Oh my god!
That was good, right?
Holy shit, that was literally a demon of darkness. Big
Whoa!
Woo, Michael. Oh, he does spot Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go this way. Oh god.
Oh, the Bushman.
Evil Bushman.
Holy crap. There's a lot going on right there.
Hey, hell yeah.
You got me again. He's so good. I don't like that music.
Wow. Hi.
Where's your card? Come on, you have
I don't like that bookcase.
to. Where's the library card?
question.
I feel like you like mints.
I do. Yes. How did she know that? How did she know I like the mints? These like move. It's weird. I don't like you. Hi. Hi. Oh. There's a body there. Don't mind the bodies. And the, oh my. Okay. Yeah.
Whoa!
What the heck? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh
Hey,
my.
ramp or something.
Oh, it smells terrible down here. Oh
No,
my
not yet.
God.
Okay, I'm good. Tonight, I'm gonna do it tonight.
Woo! The bodies are piling up. What? Yeah. It smells terrible.
It smells like something.
Oh my God! Tyler!
Oh God.
Woo! Can I get eat? Sorry. They just love this stuff. No. Okay. What the hell? We're gonna get ate by this zombie. Wow. Oh my. No. Big old rat. The heck was that? Uh-oh. Oh my God! That just happened! Oh, look at it here. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Oh my goodness, there's a bird. Yes! That means we die, right? It's Pennywise. It's not dancing. Oh my. Oh my goodness. I don't think so. I don't think I've seen them. Oh, look at them. Ew, even the random maggots.
Oh yeah, you like the hanging body?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You're in mom, you shop.
So this is their whole brand new section. Oh my God. It smells so bad. What are we in right
I
now?
have no idea.
This is a weird.
Don't go losing your head now.
I'm gonna try not to. God, what is that smell? Wow. Oh my God.
Eat all the food in here, it's so good.
That's it.
Don't look at my dishes. I know.
Okay. He didn't do it.
He didn't do good. I can't find good help now.
What are they doing to this meat? And the meat is rancid. Oh. You better stay in there. No, thank you. No, I need to live. Wow. Oh.
God, not an ice cream truck. God, it's not an ice cream truck anymore.
Oh. Ooh, this is down here. Interesting. Oh. Oh my. They're happy to see us. Oh.
You're all gonna burn! You're all gonna burn!
No, we're not. That's charred. There's a lot of noise.
Hey, Ram.
That is really well hidden. Oh my god.
Holy crap, guys, that was the Darkness Haunted House down here in St. Louis, Missouri. Let us know what you thought. That whole second half is totally brand new. It used to be a 3D attraction, now it's like a Slaughterhouse kind of thing going. Very intense, lots of moving parts, lots of scares. Leave us a comment if you've ever been to the Darkness. While we're here in St. Louis, we're also going to go to the Limp Brewery Haunted House. That one takes place underground. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.